am now on my way up to Pew Tor. I just went up to Cox Tor for a little bit, see what it's like, because I think we might be camping there. So I was checking out the ground because Alex has done some damage to himself. So he doesn't really want to be venturing out too far or too hard. So you can park up at the car park, 10-minute walk up the hill, not too bad. Anyway, today I am just going for a wander. I've done this route before with Alex and on my own, and both times I haven't actually reached Pew Tor because I just couldn't be bothered really. So I'm going to do it today. There are a few other tours on the way. I think Feather Tour is one of them, which I think is the furthest I've got. It is what it is. Over there, obviously you can't see it, is Dixon Tor, which is the biggest outcrop of granite on Dartmoor. It's pretty big. Unfortunately, you can't get into it, up to it. You can't get up to it because it's on private land. And I could ask for permission, but there's barbed wire fencing all around it, and it says danger bull. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get to that at any point soon. It would be cool to do it. It is on my bucket list, so to speak, of Dartmoor. But we'll see. I've got a stone in my boot, and I can't really take my boots off because I can't be bothered. It's wet ground, and I've got gaiters on, so I have to take my gaiters off, take my boot off, put my foot on the wet ground, or saying that, I can take my gaiter off, put my foot on the gaiter, and empty the boot. So I think I'm going to do that. The shoe situation is sorted. Really doesn't make much of a difference, to be fair. It was only a tiny stone. Anyway, I'm looking forward to this camp that we're doing. Probably will be on Cox Tor, so keep an eye out for that video. That will come later on. Yeah, it'd be nice. We haven't done a wild camp in nearly 2 years. The last one we did do, we had done a bike camp, and that put us off mountain biking and wild camping for quite a while. I don't think I've actually gone back on my bike since, because it was just an awful journey. The f*** that? I don't know if you can see that. No, you can. Right. I repositioned the microphone because it sounded quite awful. So I'm going to do a test now and see if it's any good. I've moved it down here. It was up here because I wasn't sure where to position it, because it's a microphone. I've never used a bloody microphone before. You know what I mean. I've never used one in a video, so it's all a learning curve. So I've just played the video back. I think I need a new microphone, to be fair, but I don't know if that's because the wind's hitting it, or I'm talking too loud, I'm talking too soft. It is what it is. I'm trying to find some suitable equipment for things like that, because when it is windy, you can't hear me unless I'm looking directly at the camera. Even if it's not windy, when I'm looking away from the camera like that, you can't hear me because my voice is travelling that way rather than that way. It's just science, really. a little bit disappointed with this microphone. I mean, to be fair, I didn't expect a lot. It was quite cheap, but the sound quality is not really amazing. There's a lot of interference. I don't know if I can edit that. I might be able to. But yeah, so I might have to switch to no microphone. Anyway, let's crack on. We're nearly there, I think. Looks like we're nearly there. Right, just on the bottom of Pew Tor now. The rain has just started hitting a bit harder, so I put my hood up, and it's not misty over here, funny enough. I mean, I know you can't really tell on the camera, but yeah, you can. Look, you can see over there. There's a Tor over there called King's Tor. I quite like that one. Nice easy climb, nice view from the top. We're going up there. See you at the top. There we go. Pew Tor. It's alright. Easy climb. Ooh, what's that? Spotted something. Dare I put my hand in there? Let's have a look. What is it? That's a geocache. There's a stamp in there. It's a bit wet. Let's see. Yes, Adam. What's the date today? It's the 3rd of Feb. Oh, someone else has found it. 3rd of the 2nd, 24. I'm going to put Summit Seekers. It C underscore. Is there an underscore? Yeah, there is an underscore. Pen's running out. Summit Seekers. 0. Oh, the grip just fucking. YouTube. There we go. Probably didn't see any of that, did you? But it is what it is. Let's put that one there. Back where it was. I love finding these little geocaches. I started doing this, download this geocache app late 2022. And me and Alex went out a couple of times. Me and my daughter went out a couple of times. Me and my sister went out a couple of times. You know, me and the missus went out a couple of times. Just looking for these geocaches, which is quite cool. It's fun to see. I don't really use it anymore because I'm more focused on filming and just trying to build content, I guess. But it's nice when you come across one that you can actually read and write on, because especially in this weather, it's pretty moist. Mist is starting to go, starting to disappear, or whatever, and I can see Ingrator, which is quite a nice one. Me and that's the first big video me and Alex done was around Ingrator. Anyway, I need to climb to the top. It's only there, so I'll take you with me if you want. there we have it. On the top. The mist is starting to go away. Thank for that. Got two hikers down there. They can probably hear me because the wind carries your voice. I don't even know if this mic's on. Yeah, it is. Yeah, the mic's on. So I'm gonna carry on. I'm gonna go down that way. I'm so happy that the weather is clearing because now I get to see some actual bloody views. Oh, Dartmoor is such a nice place. Anyway, this way. So just checked on my my little tours map that I made myself, and this is actually another tour, Sanford tour. Yeah, so I didn't know that until I checked the map. I had a feeling there was one past Pew Tor, but I can't remember. It doesn't show it on my OS map that's on my phone. But I did make this tours map of all the tours that I could find online on other maps that were on public land, so you don't need to ask permission to go to them. So yeah, I made that map, and it's nice. I got a big one. I might have said in another video, I can't remember, but I got a big print out of that on my wall. If you do want the map, I'm not sure how to give it to you. I'm sure there's a way I can put a link somewhere in the description, maybe download it for free, because I'm a nice guy. All right, I don't know if I've sorted the microphone issue out, but it is what it is. It's now under my coat, about here. So I think that'll have to do for now. Apologies for the poor sound quality over this video, and probably the next video, and probably some videos before this, because I've been up here for a little while now. I'm trying to get some videos out. Right, that's it. The microphones have gone. Cannot be asked for that anymore. I keep checking back on the videos to check them, and they just all sound. Oh, doesn't help that the wind's here. It'd probably be a bit better if the wind wasn't so strong. Because I mean, even without the microphone, the wind's going to be blowing onto this microphone on my camera, which is annoying. So I can only apologise for that. I'm trying to stay out the wind. Right, I'm going back up Pew Tor now on the other side. So get back to the car. I'll probably have a snack. I'm quite peckish. I left all the food in the car because it's not that far. Got my water. I've got a chocolate bar. But I don't want the chocolate bar now. Oh, I think some people just saw me filming myself. Oh well. Oh yes, oh, this would be a nice place to set up camp. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to set up here. It's out of the Dartmoor wild camping permitted location zone map thing. The wind has stopped completely. All you can hear is the rustling of my coat. It's just so peaceful. And the mist is slowly disappearing. So that is nice. I'm not a poet. I'm not very good with words. It's just nice. It's just nice here. Quiet. That, people, behind me, Pew Tor, is the biggest outcrop of granite on Dartmoor. So that's quite cool, I guess. I'm at another tour. I can't remember what it's called. I'll have to have a look at my map later on. It's this one. And there's some nooks and crannies in here. It's a perfect place to shelter from a storm if you're ever up this way. And which is cool. I've just had a phone call off Alex, and he has said he's on his way. So I'm going to go meet him now at the car park and get ready for the next video, I guess, which will be camping on top of Pew Tor. I'll see you there. I conquered my fears and I touched a pony. Yay! And now it's biting its bum. Ah, good day, good day, good day. It's misty. It's got the mist. It's gone over all over again, and I can see why people would get lost on Dartmoor. How it's so easy to get lost on Dartmoor, especially in the mist and the fog and whatnot. But I am solely relying on the sound of cars in order to get me back to my car. So yeah, good thing I'm not in the middle of the moors, because I would be absolutely